It's been almost 2 weeks since the city learned that Carlisle Group plans to sell Mountain Water and its sister companies in California to Algonquin Utilities out of Canada. But today, Mayor John Engen again reiterated that hasn't changed the city's interest in taking over the water utility to protect the city's interests and keep future rate hikes under control.
We're actively engaged in a lawsuit. That lawsuit is happening in Missoula, Montana, and is happening with Carlisle Infrastructure and Mountain Water. And that's the way we're going to proceed. And frankly, whether it's Algonquin or whoever the next bidder might be, really matters not in terms of our process and procedure. We have not been able to come up with a credible estimate for the continued litigation of this case for all sorts of reasons.
This week, the city has been inspecting the Mountain Water infrastructure, attempting to get a better picture of the utility's condition for the court proceedings. Attorneys claim it's not a pretty picture, with old dams and leaking pipes.
Everything that we're learning is confirming that the offers that we made were quite reasonable, in fact, perhaps too reasonable.
The city also expressed frustration that it hasn't heard back from Mountain Water employees on a stipulated employment offer to convince the utility's workers to stay on if the city takes over. But the president of Mountain Water took the mic to complain that the process hasn't been fair and has limited the employees' ability to consider the offer.
Set an unnegotiable stipulation to the employees. It's been very tough on them.
Yet despite all the saber rattling at the table, council members said they remain optimistic they'll win this fight one way or the other. Dennis Bragg, MTN News.